Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Dewalt chainsaw is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools in any homeowner's arsenal, especially when tackling those demanding outdoor projects that require precision and strength. This particular model boasts impressive cutting capabilities, making quick work of branches, logs, and even small trees, all while offering the convenience of cordless operation. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a beginner looking to upgrade your equipment, this chainsaw promises to deliver reliable performance and ease of use, transforming your yard work from a chore into a satisfying accomplishment. Number 5. Dewalt 12-inch Chainsaw Chain 3-Pack. This 3-pack of chains is designed to fit your 12-inch Dewalt 20V chainsaw models. Ensure your saw's chain specifications match for optimal compatibility. These chains feature a 3/8-inch low-profile pitch, a .043-inch gauge, and 45 drive links. Always confirm your bar length and chain specs before purchasing. Easily replace your old chain with this option, which serves as a direct substitute for Dewalt part number DW01DT612. It also matches common equivalents like our 45 and LP043 replacement. Crafted from premium German steel, these chains offer durable cutters that resist stretching and provide long-lasting performance for your cutting tasks. Remember that chainsaw chains can cause kickback. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment and consult your saw's manual for safe operation and proper chain tension. What we like. If you're looking for a reliable replacement chain for your Dewalt 20V chainsaw, this 3-pack is a solid choice. Made with premium German steel, these chains offer durability and less stretching, ensuring consistent performance. Choose this if you value long-lasting sharpness and fewer interruptions during your cutting tasks. What people say. I cut through 10 4 to 6-inch tree limbs with the new chain, and it cut like butter. Once installed, this chain cut the best this saw, Steel MS-140C, has ever cut. Great value. Fit my still saw perfectly. Cuts well. Number 4. Dewalt 60V Max Cordless Chainsaw DCCS672B. Introducing the Dewalt 60V Max Cordless Chainsaw. Experience powerful performance for your toughest jobs. Effortlessly adjust the chain with the onboard wrench. This feature makes maintenance quick and simple. Safety is paramount with limited kickback protection and a reliable chain brake. Work with confidence knowing you're protected. Ensure longevity with continuous lubrication thanks to the auto-oiling feature. It keeps the tool running smoothly for extended use. Get 26% more peak power than a 40.9 cubic centimeters gas chainsaw. This tool delivers exceptional cutting force. Experience over twice the torque of a 40.9 cubic centimeters gas chainsaw. It provides the power you need for demanding tasks. What we like. For those who need serious cutting power without the hassle of gas, this 60V Max chainsaw is the answer. It boasts significantly more peak power and torque than gas alternatives, making quick work of tough jobs. If you're tackling larger projects and demand top-tier performance, this tool is designed for you. What people say. Power-wise it's pretty decent and is phenomenal in groundwork where you'll do a cut, then position a while and so on. It definitely gets the job done and the supplied chain is sharp and lasts. Dewalt didn't skimp on the chain. Great electric chainsaw. Has become very handy on job sites. Clearing out the overgrowth to get to the repairs I need to make. Number 3. Dewalt FLEXVOLT 60V Max Chainsaw Kit. Experience the power of our advanced brushless motor. It's designed for demanding construction and outdoor cutting tasks, delivering exceptional performance. Enjoy convenient operation with tool-free chain tensioning and a simple knob for bar tightening. This ensures proper clamping force with ease. Keep your saw running smoothly with automatic oiling for continuous lubrication. Refilling is a breeze thanks to the quarter-turn oil cap. Work with confidence thanks to the built-in chain brake. It provides crucial kickback protection for your safety. Get more done on a single charge. Achieve up to 70 cuts on a 6x6-inch pressure-treated pine wood, maximizing your productivity. Tackle tough jobs with the low kickback 16-inch Oregon bar and chain. It's built for durability and precision in various cutting applications. What we like. If you're a homeowner or DIYer looking for a capable and user-friendly cordless chainsaw, consider this kit. It offers convenient features like tool-free chain tensioning and auto-oiling for ease of use. If you prioritize safety and straightforward maintenance for your outdoor projects, this is a great option. What people say. The saw is light and easy to carry around and is impressive with what it'll cut. I cut a few down trees up. This saw should have had no business cutting, but I tried, and not only did it work, it worked amazingly well. One tree was 30 inches diameter. Had to cut both sides, but it handled it no problem. It has amazing cutting power. You do not need tools to tighten the chain, you can remove the entire bar with no tools. It's extremely good quality cut. The cutting power and durability will surprise you. It's extremely powerful, and has safety features that are easy to operate, works well, and on the rare case that you have an accident, the safety features may just save your life as it did mine. Handled hardwood up to 16 to 18 easily. Love the lighter weight, quieter use. No more fighting keeping the chainsaw running. Number 2. 12-inch Carbide Chainsaw Chain. Introducing our 12-inch Carbide Chainsaw Chain, engineered for superior performance. It features a 3/8 LP pitch, .043 gauge, and 45 drive links, designed to fit a wide range of popular saws. Experience up to 10 times longer sharpness compared to standard chains. This is thanks to its industrial-grade tungsten carbide tips, laser-welded for extreme durability and reduced sharpening frequency. Invest in long-term value. While the initial cost is higher, its extreme durability means fewer replacements and less downtime, making it the most cost-effective choice for maximizing productive cutting hours. This chain is built to handle the toughest jobs. It easily cuts through sandy logs, muddy roots, frozen timber, and sap-heavy hardwoods, offering a stable and secure cutting experience. It's designed to fit popular 12-inch cordless and electric saws from brands like Dewalt, Ego, Milwaukee, Ryobi, and Makita. Always verify your saw's specifications for a perfect fit. Enjoy a more secure cutting experience with its integrated low kickback safety design and hardened rivets. It ensures stability, even during demanding tasks like land clearing or storm cleanup. What we like. For the toughest jobs and demanding environments, this carbide-tipped chainsaw chain is your best bet. Its extreme durability means it stays sharp up to 10 times longer than standard chains, making it incredibly cost-effective for heavy use. If you frequently cut through tough materials or work in challenging conditions, this chain will significantly reduce your downtime. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for a good amount of time on a single charge. It's surprisingly lightweight and easy to handle, making it great for extended use. The chain tensioning system is very convenient, allowing for quick adjustments without tools. Number 1. CAT DG63060V Brushless Chainsaw. Introducing a chainsaw engineered for clean and fast cuts every time. It offers robust power, refined safety, and an ergonomic design, making cutting tasks uncomplicated. Experience more power and runtime with its advanced brushless motor. It delivers significantly more power and longer runtime compared to standard motors, and a much longer life than brushed motors. This cordless tool boasts an impressive chain speed, faster than similar battery chainsaws. It provides superior cutting efficiency for various tasks like limbing and felling trees. Designed with your safety in mind, it offers peace of mind while you work. Features like a kickback-reducing bar nose and an inertia chain brake ensure rapid stops when needed. Achieve perfect chain tightness effortlessly with its tool-free tensioning system. A simple twist of a dial ensures the chain stays tight without loosening or getting stuck. Enjoy instant starts and skip the hassle of fuel mixing. Its powerful battery and advanced motor design deliver gas-like power without the need for fuel, expense, or fumes. This tool features a chain that is more resistant to breakage, distortion, and corrosion. Automatic oiling also prevents premature wear and minimizes maintenance, allowing you to cut with confidence. What we like. If you need a powerful and efficient cordless chainsaw that rivals gas performance, this 60V model is a strong contender. It delivers a superior chain speed for faster cutting and features an advanced brushless motor for enhanced power and runtime. Choose this if you're looking for professional-grade cutting efficiency and convenience without the gas engine. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for a long time on a single charge. It's surprisingly lightweight and easy to maneuver, even for extended use. The chain tensioning system is very convenient, allowing for quick adjustments without tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.